Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you where to find this texture in AiHouse. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, come in AiHouse. Okay, you either use pre-modeling or you can use Superport. Alright, I will use Superport to show you guys. Okay, this one I put 1000. Okay, this one maybe I just put 1. Okay, so the thickness I just put 1. Alright, then next, okay, to show you guys the differences, okay, I will go something like this. 1000. Okay, I will just show you guys the differences. Alright, okay, 3500. Right, okay, so I will come into here, return. Okay, come to free modeling. Okay, see which one you want to apply. Okay, so I can do like this, draw a rectangle. So maybe I just put 1000. Okay, this I put 20. Okay, after that I stretch up. $1,000. Okay, then I group it. Okay, just to show you guys the differences. So this one I come here, oops, shift, come here like this. Okay, this one I ungroup. Okay, and I separate. I move it up first. Move. Okay, click, separate, move. Okay, select all, delete. Okay, then I move back. Okay, the differences between 1 and, okay, so I press return. Okay, so this is group, this is ungroup. Okay, then this one I just move back a little bit. Alright. Okay, for Superport, the texture is just here. Material, select, you come to here, follow out material, which is this one. Once you select it, you can see a few of the texture. Okay, so for example, I'm going to use the first one. Okay, it look like this. Okay, for free modeling, you come here, you press library. This is hollow, yeah, which is this one, same thing. Drag and drop. So this one got group, remember? So press Ctrl button, group. Okay, okay. Then after that, I'm going to show you guys. I just press render to show you guys the differences between these three. Okay. Okay, as you can see, after render, everything can see through. Okay, this one will be the Superport. Okay, with one thickness. This is free modeling with plane. This one with the thickness. So as you can see, this one got thickness, so you can see front and back also have. So these two don't have at all. You can go slightly go through. Alright. So this one, as you can see here, this is the library lah. Alright. Okay. Universal material, hollow. Okay. This one, hollow material. All the material is here for AiHouse. Alright. Thanks for watching. Okay. See ya. Remember hit like and subscribe. Yeah. Okay. Bye.